Very good. Now, we'll stop right there. Put the whole stick of butter right in this bowl. It's big. Shake it. There you go. See? See that? Go in with your sugar. So what do you have inside of the bowl?
I have sugar
And
butter.
And butter. Very good. Let's put this to the side. Alright. Stop right there. Can you turn it off? Flip it down. Awesome. Let's take a look. Take a look in there. You see that? It's nice and creamy. We want to do it until it's fluffy, okay? So we have a little bit more mixing to go, right? So we'll say we'll be right back after this is nice and fluffy. We'll be right back when this is nice and
Fluffy.
that's right. We just put the brown sugar in, and so she's mixing it in now. Huh? It's heavy. You're doing a good job, though. Don't fill it up, just a little bit. Put a little bit more. Perfect. Dump that in. Now we're gonna do the half, which has some cinnamon on it, but it's okay.
It smells good.
It smells good. The vanilla. Dump it. Very good. We're making oatmeal raisin pecan cookies. Now we're gonna mix this in as well. Now we're mixing in the vanilla. Very good. Alright. Turn it off. Now we're gonna add in the flour. Very good. And keep going till all the flour is gone. The flour mixture that you have with flour, baking soda, and cinnamon in it. Do it again. Go around. We're gonna help it out a little bit before we mix it and flip it. Let's go around like this. Perfect. Okay, now we're getting ready to mix. Mix, and we're gonna stop. Only just until it's combined. That's it. Only until it's just combined. Here's what your dough looks like, and off camera, we added
1 egg.
1 egg because we forgot to add it to the butter and the sugar, right? I did. So now what's important is the next thing we're gonna do is stir in our oats and our raisins and our pecans. Okay, so we'll be back when we stir that in. Come on this side. You just hold it. This is 1 cup that we're doing.
That looks like oatmeal.
It is oatmeal. Uh-oh, put it in there. All right, now we still need half a cup. So these are the rolled oats instead of the instant oats. And the way you can tell the difference, not only because the box says it, but these are bigger oats than your instant oats that you make out the little package when you make oatmeal for yourself. So we're gonna pour that in. All right, now let's get our raisins. And the recipe calls for 1 cup of raisins, but we didn't have that much raisins. All we have is about a half a cup. So we're gonna go in with our raisins. Very good, make sure they're all in there. Okay, and we're gonna also add some pecans. Let's pour you some pecans in here. And these are just pecan pieces that we're using. All right, and Titi's gonna add in the pecans. All right, now we're gonna use our spatula to stir it up, which I'm gonna let you do that. Can you see inside the bowl? We're gonna mix it very well. Get all the way down to the bottom and mix it up. Fold it. This is what your dough looks like after you have mixed in your oats and your raisins and your pecans. And so this dough has to go in the refrigerator. This is a very important step. So we don't want to miss this step, okay? It has to go in the refrigerator so that all of these ingredients can meld together and get nice and cozy and become friends, okay? And then after 1 hour, we're going to take it out. We're going to preheat our oven to 375 degrees, and we're going to use our cookie scoop, and we're going to scoop it up and roll it into balls and drop it on our pan, okay? All right.
We will be right back.
We will be right back. This is what our cookie dough looks like when it's coming out of the fridge. And y'all, we didn't leave it for the whole hour. We left it, we got about 15 minutes more to leave it, but it's still cold. So that's what that looks like. Now we got a cookie scoop. We're gonna scoop up some inside of the, hold your bowl. Gotta have both of your hands. All right, so that's a heaping. Ooh, that's a lot. So just cut it off, and we're gonna do just a little bit of that. We can get a little bit more. Let TT help you. Don't take it off. Let go. We're gonna do about just like that. And then you take it and put it in your hand. We're gonna do the rest of these, and we're gonna come back when they're all panned up. Here is what our cookies look like. We have some a little closer than others, but it's okay. Y'all can see the oats, the raisins, and the pecans. And this is going in the oven at 375 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes. And we will be what? Here is our finished product of our homemade oatmeal raisin pecan cookies made by TT Girl, or I should say Daniela, aka TT Girl. And let's lift up one of these, and we're gonna turn it over so we can see the back. Nice and golden brown back there, looking delicious. And let's look at, there's the inside. I'm gonna taste it. Come try your cookies, Daniela. Right here. Come over here. I got the camera now. That one right there that I just broke. Chew it, girl. You like the cookies you made? Me too. You gotta chew it up so you can tell them. You gotta tell them if you want to see more videos like this.
Subscribe.
Like, comment, and
below.
Subscribe. See you next time.
'Cause whatever happens,